Hello, today we are going to learn for Power Automate.
So today I'm going to show you how to move folders into a separate folder. So for example, I have this email that the subject is quick request. This another is request for something. And then I have this, it's called issues presented. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to filter the emails and I'm going to separate them into a specific word. So for example, I'm going to filter this by the word request, and this mail should go into a folder called request. So same with this, I'm going to filter it, and if it says issues, it's going to go into this folder. So also for the Microsoft one, I have here another emails. So I'm going to create a new one for the request. So then I can save the emails here. All this with Power Automate for desktop. So I'm going to start with opening Outlook. I'm going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to create the list. I'm going to call it subjects. I'm going to save it. I'm going to add an item to the list. An item, it's going to be called Microsoft. Sorry. In what list? It's going to be subjects and save. And also I'm going to create another one for issues in the subjects. And finally, another one for request, also in the same list. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a retrieve action. And this is the action that will help me retrieve all the messages. So I'm going to do it with my account, which is mx, and the main folder is this one, bandeja de entrada. So I'm gonna type it, and then here we have a subject contains. This will help me when I'm with the filtering, and also moving the emails to record folder. So called subjects. I'm gonna save it. And for the moment, this won't work, but I'm going to leave it as that. And then there's another action that helps with moving the files, which is called processing messages in Outlook. So the Outlook instance is the same, the account is the same one that I typed already. And the email message to process is the retrieve emails. And what am I going to do with this? Well, I'm going to move it email message to mail folder. And what is the mail folder? Is the subjects. So as I said, this won't work for now. So what I need to do is use for each. And here I'm going to put the subjects. I'm going to call it current subject. And I'm going to save it. I'm going to move these sections into here. And once again, here I can put the subjects. So what I need is the current subject. I'm going to save it also here. The name is going to be current subject, which is the name, as you can see here, is the exact same name that I have on here, which is issues, Microsoft, and request. So let's test it. Yeah, I didn't type it correctly here. So it's sharp quotes. Yeah, I think it's alright, everything. So I'm gonna save it and run again. So everything seems to be working fine. Let's see here. So as we can see, we have, well, it didn't show the entries, but as you can see, we don't have anything that I was showing before. So the issues is now here. The issues, all the Microsoft related, there seems to be a lot, and request. So here we have the request, which is this one. As you can see, everything seems to be working fine with the flow.